If you want to change your CapCut save location, whether that means where your projects are stored by default or where your final exported videos are saved, I'm going to walk you through both methods step by step. This is a super useful setting to know, especially if you like keeping your edits organized on a separate drive, an external folder, or a dedicated project workspace. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple CapCut tutorials just like this one. Alright, let's jump right in. First, let's cover how to change the default save location for all future projects. This is the setting you want if you want CapCut to store your working drafts and project files in a different place every time you create something new. One important thing to remember is that you cannot change this setting while a project is actively open, so if you're currently inside an edit, look up to the top left corner and click Menu. Then select Back to Homepage. That takes you out of the project and back to the main CapCut screen. Once you're on the homepage, look to the top right corner and click the gear icon, which is the Settings menu. From the drop-down, choose Settings. In the Settings window, you should look for the Project or Draft tab, depending on your version of CapCut. Inside that area, find the Save to field. This is the current location CapCut is using to store your project files. Now click the folder icon on the far right of that path. This opens your file browser where you can choose the exact folder or drive you want CapCut to use from now on. You can pick a folder on your main drive, a separate storage drive, or any organized project folder you prefer. Once you've selected the new location, click Select Folder to confirm it. After that, don't forget the final step. Click the blue Save button at the bottom of the settings window to apply your changes. This is what makes the new save path official for all future projects. From this point on, CapCut will use the new location for your drafts and project files, which makes file management much easier. Now, let's move on to method 2, which is how to change the save location for a specific video export. This is the option you use when your project is finished and you want the final MP4 file to go to a different folder than usual. Open the project you want to export and then look in the top right corner for the blue export button. Click it to open the export window. Inside the export pop-up, find the section labeled Export to. You'll see the current destination folder there. To change it, click the folder icon next to the displayed path. This lets you browse your computer and choose a different folder for this one export. Pick your new destination folder, then click to confirm it. If you want, you can also adjust the video title at this stage so the exported file is easier to identify later. Once everything looks good, click the export button at the bottom of the window. CapCut will now save your final rendered video to the folder you selected. So, to quickly recap, if you want to change where CapCut stores future project files, go to Settings from the home page and update the Save to path. If you only want to change where a finished video is exported, do it during the export process by selecting a new folder under Export to. Those are the two main ways to control your CapCut save location. I hope this helped make the process clear and easy to follow. If it did, please give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next CapCut tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.